Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. This is Maru's Tech. In this video, I've brought you some APN settings for Safaricom Kenya. We are going to be setting them as like this so that we can be connecting to the 5G internet speed. So we are going to connect. Don't worry, very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. I'm going to go to where you have the settings, and then if I open up my settings, I'm going to rush where I have the search bar, or on some devices the search bar may be appearing there. You are free to go and search for, I recommend you guys to search for mobile networks, because once you search for APN, it will not be there. Search for mobile networks, but me, I'm going to go step by step. I'm going to look for my dual SIM and mobile networks, then I'll choose that one. My Safaricom, it is line 1. So I'm going to choose that one, my line 1. It is Safaricom. I'm going to come where I have the access point name, and then I'm going to go access point name, and then I'm going to go where I have the plus button. On some devices, the plus button may be appearing here, but on my device, the plus button is right there, but you can also place on your device the plus button there. So I'm going to choose, based on my device, I'm going to choose that one. And then I'm going to go where we have the name. We are dealing with Safaricom. I'm going to put Safaricom, and then I put satellite, and then I save. And then I'm going to go where I have the APN. I'm going to put IMS, then I save. And then I'm going to go where I have the authentication type, which is this one. I'm going to put PAP or CHAP, and then I save. The APN type will be set to default. Write a word default, and then save. And then the APN protocol, it will be set to IPv4/IPv6. The APN looming protocol will be set to IPv4/IPv6. The bearer will be set to select all. I won't explain much, but I recommend my viewers to select all. Then you go back. Then you are going to go where we have the save stuff. Then you save. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this video with your friend. Don't forget to like this video. I sign out.